One of the biggest questions I get when it comes to buying a house is, Keisha, how much money I must put down? Do I put 5%, 10%, 25%? How much is the right amount of money to put for that deposit? Well, here's the thing. First things first, you have to make sure you make the minimum deposit, because in different countries, there are different minimum amounts that you have to make sure that you're paying on the property. After you make sure the minimum is paid, then you want to consider using other people's money. And you know, other people's money is the best money. And when I talk about other people's money, I'm talking about getting a mortgage or some type of private lending facility to go and buy the house. When you get other people's money, this is a concept called leverage. And this is really where you're able to make those big returns that you see people talking about with real estate investing. So ensure, first things first, make that minimum deposit that's required, access other people's money, and then if you still find that you have excess funds available to you, then, go ahead, put an additional amount in as a deposit, but make sure you can cover the closing costs and you still have funds ready to buy the furniture for that property. Once you do that, this is when we see the big returns roll in for the property, because you're able to capitalize on leverage. That's the name of the game.